Hello po, welcome to our beauty and wellness presentation from One Journey. I am Lara May Gonzalez. You can message or follow me on Facebook. Just scan the QR code below at ito po yung QR code ko. Mariredirect po kayo sa aking Facebook account. Welcome po sa One Journey. Si One Journey po ay isang direct selling company at yung mga products po natin ay mga food supplements and beauty products. We are established year 2021, and when you will be part of our program, you will have your own dashboard at ito po yun siya. You can check our website www.onejourneycorp.com. In terms of legalities, we are so we are so religious, no? Kompleto po tayo, SEC registered po tayo, meron po tayong business permit, BIR, Certificate of Registration. So, every year po tayo, no? Very religious po tayo sa pagbabayad ng ating buwis. And we have the license to operate as a food trader and a distributor or wholesaler. Sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, bawal magkasakit. And because of that, as the old cliche goes, prevention is better than cure. Kaso lang, para sa atin, majority ng mga Filipino, according to statistics, ay ayaw or hindi iniisip na mahalaga ang vitamins. Maybe sa ang daming factors eh. Pero pinaka number one reason is talagang mahal according to them. Pero alin bang mas mahal? Yung 25 pesos per capsule ng food supplement or hospital bed? Alright? So, that is why mahal talaga magkasakit. And One Journey offers quality food supplements na kayang-kaya sa bulsa ng bawat Pilipino. These are our top tires. These are our best sellers. First, we have Squalene Gold. Ito ay product, lahat ng ating food supplements po ay imported from Japan. Pulido po ang pagkakagawa. Squalene Gold is a food supplement galing sa atay ng iho. Ito yung mga benefits ng Squalene. It boosts our immune system, lalong-lalo na ngayon. Maraming mga sakit na naglipana. And most of them, like COVID, ay walang cure, but ito ay labanan ng immune system. Aside from boosting our immune system, it also improves our skin health. It acts as an antioxidant kasi whether we like it or not, marami na talagang free radicals na nagda-damage na ng ating cells. Kaya nga, 'di ba, number one, ang dami na ngayon mga nagka-cancer. That is because of the abnormalities na nasa cells ng isang tao. Okay? And whether we like it or not, nakakakain tayo ng mga pagkain na puno ng mga free radicals and the pollution no sa ating paligid. So, taking squalene can act as an antioxidant that fights free radicals that damage our cells. Another thing, it also supports oxygen delivery and it is good for our liver and health. Magkano ba ang Squalene Gold? 25 pesos po per soft gel. Ito po yung ating SRP. But if you are a distributor, you will have it as much as low as 12.50. Ibig sabihin, kapag distributor ka at nagbebenta ka ng ating Squalene Gold, meron kang 12.50 na profit. Isa sa mga magandang products din natin ay ang DHA Gold. Ito ay maganda para sa ating memory, learning, and cognitive function because it is good for the brain, for the heart, for the eyes, lalong-lalo na ngayon na we are prone to radiation sa kabababad natin sa TV or kahit sa cellphone. Anti-inflammatory din ito, kaya kapag ikaw ay meron ka mga joint pains or rheuma arthritis, this is good for us. And it is also yung rich in omega-3, it boosts our mood and mental well-being. Antidepressant din kasi ito. Magkano ba ang DHA Gold? 34.80 per soft gel is RP. Pero kapag distributor ka naman, you can have it for 17.40 pesos only. That means kung magbebenta ka nito, meron kang profit na 17.40. Ito naman yung ating Green Wonder Barley. Ito ay organic young barley leaf. Ito ay gawa sa young barley at organic talaga, 100% organic. Ito yung nagsusupply sa atin ng vitamins A, C, E, B complex and minerals. So it supports natural detoxification. It helps maintain a healthy digestive system. So nagbabawas talaga tayo nito. It also aids in immune function, provides promotes energy and vitality, and provides essential nutrients for everyday wellness. Lalong-lalo na sa mga kababaihan na gustong mag-lose weight or good for those who has hormonal imbalance, yung hindi nagreregla ng ah, ng regular at may mga menstrual cramps. Ito ay 39.60 per capsule SRP, but if you are a distributor, you can have this for only 19.80. Ibig sabihin, may profit ka na 19. And right this year, no? This 2025, meron kaming bagong mga products at ito yung ating One Journey Beauty products. Because we believe that a healthy you is also a beautiful you. We have Rejuvenate Premium Set. Rejuvenates siya. It exfoliates. So, ang makagandahan lang ng ating Rejuve set, may sabuna siya, night cream, sunscreen at saka toner. Ang maganda dito is micro-peeling, ibig sabihin hindi halata na nagre-rejuve ka. And mild lang po siya, tolerable, hindi yung tiis ganda moment. Hindi ka mamumula at hindi ma-irritate yung skin mo. Okay, you can have this for only 348 SRP price. But if you are a distributor, you can have this for only 278 pesos, meaning may 70 pesos profit ka kapag ito ay ibibenta mo. We also have Glashera Glass Skin Set or our maintenance set. Okay? Meron din itong sabon, toner, sunscreen, at saka serum. Maganda to because it is the art of flawless skin. Okay, yung pores mo talagang hindi siya visible. Super nice nito. After natin gamitin yung Rejuvenate, so we can proceed with our Glashera. 398 po siya per set SRP. But for the distributors, you can have this for only 318. That means may 80 pesos profit ka. Dito naman tayo sa Sonomy. Ito ay galing Korea. Tomato Skin Essence. 100% organic and plant-based po siya. Paraben-free. Maganda dito, this is very safe for teenagers and even pregnant women kasi natural po ito. Galing po siyang kamatis. Meron na po itong toner, serum, at saka sabon. Ang set po nito ay 746, but you can have this for only 596 kung ikaw ay distributor, which means meron kang 150 pesos profit kapag ito ay yung ibebenta. We have here Sholox, Bacosol plus retinol. It is an anti-aging serum. Ang maganda dito sa ating Sholox, hindi po tayo worry. Hindi tayo dapat mababahala kasi usually when we say retinol, that is very strong chemicals kasi yung mga wrinkles and fine lines natin talagang ano niya, no? I-elastic, no? Pero kasi plant-based po ito. Meron kasi itong Bacosol. So it is safe for the skin. It is 448 per bottle SRP, pero kung distributor ka naman, you can have this for 358 pesos, which means meron tayong 90 pesos na profit. Another vitamin serum is Citrin C. 229 po siya per bottle, 183 kung distributor, which means you have 46 pesos na profit. Squalane is an oil from squalene, from shark liver oil. So squalane is not just for beautification, no, but it is also good for acne, eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, and ru- rosacea. So this is actually um ways to prevent, no ways to prevent, and it also boosts collagen production, skin hydration, fights skin damage and free radicals, anti-aging, and it is also good for our hair, and it suits all skin types. Okay, meron tong 1,900. This is 1,980 pesos per bottle. This is galing sa Japan. Pero you can have this for 990, ibig sabihin, meron tayong profit na 990 pesos. Ang laki, di ba? We also have Solare Premium Sunscreen. Ito ay SPF 50 with niacinamide. It can also be used as base for makeup. No, 148 push-up per tube, 118.40 naman kung distributor ka, which means you have 30 pesos profit. Meron din tayong tinted. So, ibig sabihin, para na tayo napapowder nito. So, ito ay 168, 134.40 kapag ikaw distributor. So, meron kang 33.60 profit. Ito yung mga premium quality sabon natin. Itong sabon natin ay main ingredients po nito ay virgin coconut oil. This is not just an ordinary soap because it contains a lot of essential oils. Hindi po siya petroleum-based. Ito ay oil-based and plant-based. Ibig sabihin, premium po ang pagkakagawa ng ating mga sabon. We have here Glutashine. Ito ay may niacinamide. Ito ay mga sa gustong magpapaputi. 198 pesos po yung ating SRP. Pero kung member ka or distributor ka, you can have this for buy one take one promo natin ngayon. Automatically, meron tayong profit na 198 pesos. We have also Eterna Glow. Ito naman ay collagen essence soap. As we grow older, our skin also gets older. So, nagkakakulang tayo ng collagen. Ito ay nagsusupply ng collagen sa ating katawan. 198 po siya, buy one take one kung distributor. Meron din tayong Kojic. Ito ay para sa mga gustong magpa-antioxidant, 'no, sa skin. And mag-e-exfoliate ka po nito pero mild lang. Kojic Bliss, 198 pesos per piece, pero buy one take one ka kung distributor. So 198 yung profit natin. Meron din tayong antibacterial soap, pero ang maganda dito sa ating antibacterial soap ay meron itong tawas and niacinamide. So it also whitens aside from the fact that it also take away the odor from our body because it takes away bacteria. No, it has kojic acid and papaya extract. So nawawala yung body odor at the same time pumuputi tayo. 109 po siya SRP, pero 87 pesos lang kapag tayo ay distributor. Ibig sabihin meron tayong 22 pesos na profit. Ito naman yung ating lotion, Niasil. Meron itong niacinamide B3 and alpha-arbutin premium whitening lotion, 298 per bottle, 238 kung distributor. That means meron tayong 60 pesos na profit. Ito naman yung ating mga moisturizer. Meron tayong maputi na pero magaspang yung balat. So, or dry yung skin. This is the no, yung gagamitin. Glota Berry Moisturizing Fragrance Lotion. 298 po siya per bottle, pero 238 lamang kung ikaw ay distributor. That means meron kang 60 pesos na profit. Okay, meron din tayong ah, lip stain. So, yung lip stain po natin, meron po siyang 5 shades: mauve, rose, scarlet, and dusty, and cherry. So, magkano po siya? 109 SRP. But you can have this for only 87 pesos as a distributor. So that means meron kang 22 pesos na profit. So we have also perfume. We also have Master Boy Herbal Oil. So this is a multifunctional oil. 500 pesos po siya per bottle, 250 pag distributor po tayo. And may profit po tayo na 250 pesos. Meron tayong suka and a lot more. Ang vision po ng ating company is that hindi lamang po tayo hanggang beauty and wellness products, but also home care. So lahat ng mga products na ginagamit araw-araw, like sabon, detergent powder, fabric conditioner, so meron din tayo niyan, upcoming po tayo. Okay. Now, why join the wellness and beauty industry? Global market stats, booming po siya na industry. No, as a matter of fact, kilala niyo po ba si Glenda? Glenda de la Cruz, siya yung may-ari ng Brilliant Skin. Ano ba yung products niya? Ano ba yung negosyo niya? Pampaganda. Pero look at her now. She's one of the top 10 youngest Filipino billionaire in the country. Yung business niya, sabon lamang. Pero billionaire na po siya. Another is Rose Martin. Isa siya sa mga patunay na may pera sa mga beauty products. No? Araw-araw nagsisale siya ng 5 million to 13 million daily. Ang yaman niya. So why join the wellness and beauty industry? Because it is high demand, consumable, and madali lang ang pagre-repeat purchase, no? Kasi araw-araw tayong naliligo. According to the Global Beauty Products Market in 2023, 40% ng mga tao bumibili ng skincare. So look, no? Yung hygiene products, 10% lang, pero 40% skincare. Kasi yung mga tao, gusto natin maganda tayo, presentable tayo. Wala pa tayong tao nakilala na gustong pumangit, no? Gusto lahat gumanda at gumwapo. Right? So as much as it is a need already, it has also a big opportunity for passive and active income. Meron tayo, 'di ba, like Habibi. Sinasabi natin, wala namang earning potential dun sa mga products na yun, gumaganda ka lang. Well, meron din naman sila. Ito yung kanilang tinatawag na resellers or distributors. So, for example, sa Habibi, kung maging district distributor ka, your capital 95,000. City distributor 55,000. Reseller 25. But as you can see, lumiliit din yung ating profit. So the bigger the capital, the bigger the profit. Ito yung sa kanila. Ito yung earning potential nila. Be our reseller. Good news. Kasi dito sa One Journey, you can be our reseller or distributor. And what can you enjoy? Ito yung may enjoy natin. Unang-una, kapag tayo ay distributor, automatic po tayo na may discount sa ating mga products as much as 50% discount. Aside from that, meron ka ng own e-commerce platform. Meron ka ng sariling platform. So, for example, distributor ka na ng ating company. You will have your own shop. For example, Lara May Gonzalez shop. And dito sa shop mo, makikita lahat ng products natin. So, all you have to do, okay, ang maganda dito sa atin, pwede tayong mag-resell na may on hand. Ibig sabihin, may products ka na ibebenta on hand na sa kamay mo. Or you can also have it via link, via your online shop. So, for example, nagbenta ka ng sabon. Tapos, i-post mo sa Facebook mo yung soap. Okay, yung soap natin, for example, yung Gluta-Shine. When you post it in your Facebook, ah, tapos may nag-ask, how much, paano mag-order? All you have to do is reply them because yung shop mo, meron siyang sariling link. Okay? So, just put your link sa messenger or sa comment section. Okay? So, yung link mo, ito yung i-click ng customer mo. Pag-click ng customer mo ng iyong link, mariredirect siya sa iyong shop. So, dito na siya bibili, cash out, check out niya, tapos i-deliver sa kanya door to door. Okay? Now, for example, yung Glutathione natin, that is 198 pesos, 'di ba po? Yung SRP. Pero, since member ka, meron kang commission instant, real time. No? Kahit hindi ikaw ang nagpadala ng products, kahit hindi, wala ka namang product on hand eh. Pero si company na ang nag-prepare ng product at nag-deliver ng product, pero automatic meron kang commission. Kasi that's only for 138. 'Di ba? So meron kang 60 pesos na commission, makikita mo agad sa dashboard mo. So you can have your own e-commerce platform with us. Yes. And you can also be part, okay, you can also be part of, teka lang po ah. You can also be part of our, you can also be part of our, 124 livelihood program. Okay? Now, free lang po ang registration nito. Free din ang training. Alright, wow, ang galing. Free registration, free training. Now, ano ba yung 124 livelihood program? Ang 124 livelihood program, let us earn 24,000 per day kahit hindi ka nagsisell. Kahit part-time lang through our three easy steps. Dito kasi, dalawa yung magiging source of potential income natin. Through selling and through affiliate. Now, through selling, that is products, no? Through affiliate or through referrals, ito yun siya. Okay, through our three easy steps. So first, buy our products. Ito yung gagawin mo para makapag-avail ka ng 20 to 50% discount. So, ibig sabihin, pwede ka nang mag-resell. Another is, meron ka ng sariling e-commerce platform na libre. Si company na po ang mag-provide noon. Meron ka ng sariling online shop. Paano ba? At syempre, meron ka ng sariling potential income. May sarili ka ng negosyo. Paano ba? Ito yung three steps. Step 1, buy our products. Okay? Ano yung products na bibilhin natin? Ito yung ating nasa package na 12,888. Sa 12,888 pesos mo, yung products na marireceive mo ay worth 14,296 pesos. And of course, you can avail up to 50% discount kapag bibili ka na ng mga ng mga products po natin. Yun yung step 1. Bili ka ng package worth 12,888. Step 2, advertise. Kasi bawat advertise natin, bawat referrals po natin, babayaran po tayo ni company ng 1,000 pesos. Sino-sino ba yung mga maging referrals natin? Yung mga ayaw magkasakit or health-conscious individuals. At yung mga beauty-conscious individuals, mga taong naliligo araw-araw. Ito yung mga i-refer natin. Or mga taong gustong kumita at magkaroon ng extra income. Kasi nga, the key to financial freedom is to multiply your hands. Nagsasabon naman tayo araw-araw, di ba? For example, Safeguard. Pero, kumikita ba tayo sa pagsasabon natin ng Safeguard? Di ba wala? For example, may product ka na ginagamit ngayon. For example, Brilliant Skin. For example, gumanda ka sa Brilliant Skin. Tapos may kaibigan ka nagtanong, ano ba yung product na ginagamit mo? Ang ganda naman ng kutis mo. Sabihin mo, ay, Brilliant Skin yung ginagamit ko. Yung kaibigan mo naman, na influensyahan mo, bumili ng Brilliant Skin, gumanda din siya. Pero ang tanong, meron ka bang income doon? Sa pagre-refer mo, sa pag-a-advertise mo. 'Di ba po wala? Pero dito po meron. Okay, magkano? 1,000 pesos. So, referrals. Now, kapag nakapag-refer ka ng 5, so meron kang 5,000 pesos, 'di ba? Kasi 1,000 per referral, per person. Now, kapag yung taong ni-refer mo ay nag-avail ng ating package na 12,888, bibigyan ka ni company ng 1,000 pesos at direct yun sa dashboard mo every week. Weekly po yung payout natin. Yung kitain natin sa isang linggo ay marireceive or mawi-withdraw natin for the next week. So, yun yung weekly payout. Now, another good news is that aside from the referral bonus na 1,000, meron pa tayong another extra kitaan. Ito yung tinatawag natin na step 3. Duplicate through this formula. 1 gets 2. So, for example, ikaw yan. Di ba po nag-refer ka? Okay? Now, binary system po tayo dito. Ibig sabihin, meron kang automatically Group A and Group B. So, nakapag-refer ka. For example, si John na-refer mo at si Jane. So, meron ka ng dalawang group, 'di ba? Meron kang dalawang group at napunan mo 'yon. So, from this, meron kang 1,000 direct referral. So, 1,000 from Jane, 1,000 from John, 2,000 ka. Now, bawat package sold ay may points. Yung package, yung 12,888, meron yung points that is 75 points. So, meron ka 75 points sa Group A, meron ka ding 75 points sa Group B, magma-match po yan, magiging bonus po yan. Magkano? 2,400. So, sa dalawa mong referral, si John at si Jane, meron ka ng magkano? 4,400. So, 4,400 pesos. Yan ang maganda kung mag-refer po tayo ng dalawa. Bawal po yung sasabihin na kikita ka ng walang ginagawa, 'no? Hindi po tayo ganyan, wala po tayong ganyan dito. All we have to do is sell, be our reseller or be our advertiser, okay? Kasi kung mag-a-advertise ka, babayaran ka ni company ng 1,000 direct referral at sales match bonus na kapag may 75 points ka sa left or group A at 75 points sa Group B, magma-match po yan. Bibigyan ka ni company ng 2,400 pesos na sales match bonus. Now, si John, syempre, yung formula po natin is 1 gets 2. Bawat isa, mag-refer ng dalawa. So, si Mercy at si May yung referral ni John. Alright? So, kikita din po si John ng 4,400. Ganon din si Jane, nag-refer ng dalawa. Kikita din si Jane ng 4,400. Remember, only John and Jane are your friends. Si Mercy, si May, si Mark, si Kent, di mo na kilala. Pero part na po siya ng organization mo. Dalawang sales match po yan. 75, 75 points, 75 points, 75 po. Dalawang 75 points. So, dalawang 2,400. Yes. Dalawang 2,400 po siya. Direct po siya sa account mo. Yan. So, si Mercy, si May, si Mark, si Kent, nag-refer din ng dalawa. Tigda dalawa, 1 to 1, 2,4,2,4,2,4, 4,8,4,8,4,8, ay, 4,4,4,4. So, ikaw, nag-apat na 2,400 ka dyan. So, ganun, babayaran at babayaran ka ni company. Alright? So, from this, 18,800 na po yung earning potential mo. Now, magkano lang yung, kumbaga, capital, hindi naman talaga capital eh, kasi yung 12,888, remember, products mo yun, binili mo yun. No? It's either ibebenta mo siya or ginagamit mo siya, walang nawala sa'yo. Pero, kahit naubos mo na yung sabon, yung food supplement sa package na yan, yung earning potential mo, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Alright? So, ito yung maganda dito. Now, paano ba kumita ng 24,000 per day? Kasi babayaran po tayo ni mag-company ng 10 pairs maximum per day. That is 2,400 times 10. That is 24,000 per day or 720,000 per month. Na pwede po tayo dito multiple account. Pwede po tayong mag 3 accounts. Ang maganda dito sa 3 accounts, kung meron naman tayong malaking capital, 3 packages yung i-avail mo instead of 1. Pero the moment na kikita yung, sa 3 accounts, you will have 4. 'Di ba? Sa 1 account, dalawa lang yun. Pero dito, 4. Now, kikita yung second account mo, third account, automatic din kikita yung first account mo. It's like hitting 3 birds in 1 stone. So, meaning, everyday potential income is 72,000, 2.1 million per month, nako. And mas lalo na kung tayo ay magse-7 accounts. Now, ang kitaan po dito ay hindi lamang sa referrals. No, sasabihin mo, nako, paano yan, Ma'am Lara? Kung lahat na po ng kaibigan ko ay na-refer ko na, wala na ba po akong income? Ang answer niyan is, of course, meron pa rin. Kasi, hindi naman yan sila magsta-stop na magsasabon. Magsasabon yan araw-araw, maliligo yan araw-araw. And every time na magsasabon sila, bibili sila, ito yung passive income. Hindi po tayo dito nagtitinda ha. This time, dito sa repeat purchase, yung mga tao dito ay bumili lang ng sabon or ng mga products natin pero meron po tayong income doon. So, up to the 20th level, ang totoong kitaan po ay nasa repeat purchase. Kaya nga yung mga products po natin, bentang-benta, consumable. Now, kailan mo ba sisimulan? Remember that opportunities don't wait. Every day you delay is a day you could have grown. No? Kasi ang dami, meron na po, hindi lang ako o ikaw, meron pang iba na nagre-refer din. So, baka yung kapatid mo, yung kapamilya mo, kamag-anak mo, baka ma-refer ng iba, sayang naman. So, simulan na po natin. No, you only have two choices left. Watch us win or win with us. Thank you so much. I hope that may napupulot po tayo dito. And for your questions, kung may question ka, of course, tanungin mo yung taong nag-send sa'yo ng video na ito. Thank you so much and welcome po to One Journey.